Mitigation in action. Decarbonising industrial processes. The Paris Agreement can only be met if the industry sector is decarbonised. Together, the steel, cement and chemical sectors account for approximately 18% of all global greenhouse gas (GHG) emissions, contributing significantly to the industrial sector's roughly 25% share of worldwide GHG emissions. Historically, most of these emissions stem from industrialized countries. However, a shift is currently underway, with developing and emerging countries industrializing at an ever-increasing pace. This makes it all the more critical to intervene now in these key countries and industry subsectors like steel and cement to prevent the adoption of further high-emitting technologies that harm the climate. The Mitigation Action Facility, MAF, aims to strengthen global efforts to limit greenhouse gases in the industrial sector, as agreed upon in the Paris Agreement, through targeted pilot projects in developing and newly industrializing countries. To date, the MAF has provided financial and technical support for 10 transformational projects in the industry sector, as well as for 3 cross-sectoral projects with an industry affiliation in 10 countries and with a total budget of over €230 million. These projects have helped mitigate over 1.7 million tonnes of CO2 equivalent by 2023 year-end, and continue to do so. The implementation of industrial MAF pilot projects can yield significant benefits for developing and newly industrializing countries. They help to facilitate gross domestic product (GDP) growth, avoid greater indebtedness to foreign countries and thus greater dependence on industrialized countries, enable healthier environmental conditions and reduce GHG emissions. Industrial MAF pilot projects can also benefit the population of developing and newly industrializing countries. They create employment, especially green, well-paid jobs, including for women and young people, and thus contribute to poverty reduction. They foster education and retraining, and improve living conditions through positive socio-economic and cultural effects in line with the UN Development Goals. Become part of the facility's effort to decarbonize the industry sector, transform society, and help mitigate the effects of climate change. See how you can access funding through our call for projects on our website. The Mitigation Action Facility, leading the way in transformative climate action.